The couple of days that I've spent here have really awakened something within me that's like a divine spark. And Mark has this beautiful like love language in this kitchen and is able to put flavors in my hands and then on the table and then in my mouth that really just ignited a fire within me again. Just in one day.
Mark Reinfeld is just a legend. He is too modest to say that, but what he teaches in classes you just can't get anywhere else. And I thought I was a pretty experienced chef and I knew my stuff, but boy did I learn a lot just in the one day that I was here.
Just can't wait to go back home and try those recipes in my own kitchen. Thank you so much, Mark. I had such a great time.
It's been very thought-provoking and helping me in my walk to be more vegan and the different tastes and the different experiences and meeting the people. Your vision's great, you've got some good viewpoints, and I would recommend this to anyone.
I am inspired, my tongue is all excited because my tastes have been awakened and renewed and refreshed, and I'm hopeful again. I think that perhaps I have been bored with my food choices. And up to this point, I really had no information about vegan or raw food cuisine except by reading about it. This is the first time I've actually experienced it, so as a newcomer, I can tell you that I truly was inspired to understand that yes, it takes a little bit of work in the kitchen to chop those vegetables, but the end result is so worth it.
Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm 71 years old, and the thing that I've learned today is that it's never too late to experience an amazing time, not only with the food and the people, but to understand better what vegan food is all about and the taste and the flavor. It's been a wonderful workshop. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Diane, and I'm here in Lombok Key with the 2-day workshop that we did. And I'm actually so excited that I signed up for a 5-day class, and then I'm going to be doing his teacher training. So great Mark, great class, looking forward to everything. Thank you so much.